The pilot in the video uses a black marker to write in Ukrainian, "You smell radar," on the body of the American-made AGM-88 high-speed anti-radiation missile, HARM, that hangs from the bottom pylon of the Ukrainian plane. MiG-29 fighter jet. The Ukrainian fighter pilot ended by underlining the handwritten words firmly, then smirked behind the black visor of his helmet as he walked out of the frame. The Ukrainian Air Force then fired an air-to-surface missile, emblazoned with its personal message, at Russian military targets, according to the Ukrainian military news website Militarny. Thanks to the Ukrainian non-profit organization RevengeFor.com, which is raising funds to purchase equipment for the Ukrainian army, you can also now assign a Ukrainian pilot to write a personal message on a combat-ready AGM-88 missile. It only requires a $10,000 donation to the Ukrainian military. According to the Revenge For website, Russia is a country that deserves revenge from the rest of the world. Help the Ukrainian army punish Russia for everything. An information technology entrepreneur and Kiev resident named Nazar Gulik created the Revenge For website in July. Regardless of the AGM-88 option, a minimum donation of $500 will buy messages for Ukrainian artillery shells. According to the Revenge For website, after someone sends a message, a member of the Ukrainian military writes words on the side of a bullet or missile casing. Revenge For sends donor photo proof of order completion. The AGM-88 HARM locks in radar emissions and is useful in destroying enemy air defenses. The AGM-88, which weighs about 800 pounds, flies at speeds of up to Mach 2 and as far as 80 miles to strike ground targets with its 200-pound fragmentation warhead. The U.S. Department of Defense announced in August that Washington had delivered AGM-88 missiles to Ukraine. That month, Ukrainian MiG-29 fighters began using American missiles to strike Russian targets. Many defense aviation analysts were initially skeptical that Ukrainian Soviet-era fighters would be able to use the AGM-88 against Russian forces. But US and Ukrainian engineers appeared to have worked out compatibility issues, and the Ukrainian Air Force later published a video on YouTube showing the MiG-29 using the AGM-88 missile in combat. The Revenge For promotional video in which the pilot writes a message on the AGM-88 shows a special adapter pylon under the MiG-29's wing, which was used to mate the Lu-118 a missile launcher with a Soviet-era jet. The Ukrainian Air Force recently modified the Soviet-era Su-27 fighter to use the AGM-88 missile as well. According to Militarny, a Ukrainian defense information website, Ukrainian warplanes have used the AGM-88 to attack Russia's Tor missile systems, S-400 air defense systems, and Pantsir S-1 anti-aircraft missile systems, as well as artillery. We have provided Ukraine some of these anti-radiation missiles, HARM missiles, and we have adapted those missiles to be able to fire MiG-29s. So, of course, they're not designed to fly Russian equipment, they're designed to fly our planes. In Ukraine has in recent weeks used HARM missiles to destroy Russian radar systems, U.S. Undersecretary of Defense for Policy Colin Kahl said August 24, according to the reading. Pentagon. Revenge For has raised approximately $109,000 from donors worldwide, including from the U.S., Canada, UK, Germany, Netherlands, Poland, Estonia, Israel, and Ireland. With 98 orders to date, Ukrainians have purchased more remote messages from any country listed on the Revenge For website. The US was in second place with 19 orders. Donated funds go to the charity Come Back Alive, which has been raising funds to support the Ukrainian military since Russia first invaded Ukraine in 2014. According to photos posted to the Revenge for website, some of the artillery messages commissioned include, "Revenge for cutting boxes." A reference to a gruesome video posted online in July of a Russian soldier castrating a Ukrainian prisoner of war. Vladimir Putin, fuck it. For every Ukrainian tear. Revenge for the Mariupol Drama Theater. In Dutch, one message reads, "Revenge for MH17", a reference to Malaysia Airlines Flight 17. A Russian surface-to-air missile shot down a Boeing 777 over eastern Ukraine in July 2014, killing all 298 passengers and crew on board. In it,